All right, I'm gonna say it. It is officially hot. We are experiencing consistent high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, really flirting with 90, and we're right in the middle of a near 20-degree temperature swing in high temperatures over the course of 2 weeks. So summer's a-coming, and the lawn is showing signs already that it's just not having it. So gonna give it some things today to help and calm it down a little bit. But I also want to talk about my new sprayer setup that I've been trying out around the house and in my business. And it showed up in a video a couple videos ago, and I got some comments on it about what I'm using, and I want to go over it with you. Here we go. So I want to just talk about real quick before I spray, and I'll go over everything I'm going to spray and how I'm going to spray it and why I'm using it. But I want to talk about the new sprayer setup on my Flowzone backpack sprayer. So for those of you that know, the Flowzone sprayer is all quick connect fittings, which is awesome. And it makes it easy for you to do little custom setups like this one here. And this is the setup that showed up in one of my more recent videos, and I want to just go over the different pieces. There's only 3 pieces required to this. I'm going to link all of them in the description below. You can check them out if you want to put this together yourself. It's super easy. You just need the 3 pieces, and you need a little plumber's tape, and then you are good to go. So with that, let's break it down. Train. So first up, we have the Let's Go spray gun nozzle, and it's the blue one. I believe that this is available in different colors, and the different colors have different output rates. This one works pretty well with the Flowzone sprayer. From there, going backwards, you have a reducer. This goes from a 3/4 inch thread to a 1/4 inch thread to support the last piece, which is a 1/4 inch thread to your quick connect fitting. And that's it. That's really all it is. And you just take that and it goes right in to the handle of your gun. So you're spraying side to side, good to go, easy peasy. Now, as far as what's being sprayed today, in case you're wondering, the nice thing about having a backpack sprayer, and especially having the Flowzone sprayer, I haven't had any issues clogging this thing up. And believe me, I've tried. Whether inadvertently or intentionally, I've tried, and I haven't done it yet. So we're going to continue that trend today. I have several products that I've been meaning to apply, but I've just been so stinking busy that I don't have time. So they're all going down today. And with it being middle of June, Grub treatment. This is imidacloprid. This is going down at 1.6 ounces per 1,000, give or take. And that's going to control grubs. With it being above 85 now, I'm going to start my Hydretain strategy. I cannot survive summer without this, and of course proper watering. So Hydretain going down today. I highly recommend getting this in the gallon. It's a much better value. That's going down. Love that stuff. Aerate is going down today. Going to open up the soil as well with the Hydretain and get the water down into the root zone where it needs to be. And then we're going to add a splash of color with the MicroGreene. So that's all the things going in to the whole lawn tonight. So I'll show you the front yard. I'm going to do the same thing to the backyard, but I'll show you the front yard and we'll call it good. Here we go. All right, there it is, easy as that. A couple of quick tips. Number one, with the Hydretain, make sure that you follow the label instructions and apply to damp soil. I did run the sprinklers for a bit in preparation for this application and then water it in afterwards so it gets down into the root zone where it can work. All of these products need to be watered in, so it makes sense to apply them all at the same time. And then another tip with the Hydretain too is any areas that I know of that typically struggle as far as heat stress goes, I tend to give them a little bit extra Hydretain. I do this application, at least with the Hydretain, every month while temperatures are above 85. So for the next few months, Hydretain's coming down monthly. It's not gonna go down as heavy now. In the subsequent months, it's gonna be about 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet instead of this initial 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already. There's some exciting stuff coming up and I can't wait to share it with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.